What it is, all you goddamn hypebeasts, it's your boy Sin Supreme, and we are back with another Supreme Show and Tell. I know it's been a while since you've seen one of these. I wanted to mix it up, and instead of me actually showing every single thing I purchased, because honestly it doesn't make sense for me to show you unboxing a pair of underwear or a small box OT every fucking season, because they release that shit every fucking season. And there are channels, if you want to go to those channels and see how everything looks in hand from every week, shout out to Sleepy. So I've actually unboxed everything I've received, and what I'm going to show you is my favorite items so far from spring 18. So the first item I'm going to start with that I really loved, and I knew I was gonna love it as soon as I got it. It was just honestly really just getting it in hand. It's from the Undercover Public Enemy collaboration, and it's the White House tee. I love this shirt. If you're not familiar with this one, it's Chuck D standing in front of the White House. Just actually this choice of photo in the times that we fucking live in was, I think, a great move. I did get it in white. I thought this colorway was the cleanest, even though I have a ton of white shirts. And then on the back, what you have is the Fair the Black Planet, the Public Enemy logo, the counterattack on the world supremacy, and then Undercover Supreme. Honestly, the shirt is just super fucking clean. One of my favorite, the small things about when Supreme and Undercover collaborate is honestly the tag. I love the tag, and it's something you should look out for if you're ever worried about fakes or anything like that. You have Undercover and Supreme. Those are just some of the details I like when Supreme and Undercover collaborate. Really glad I picked up this tee. It did sell out pretty fast. Everyone was trying to grab a White House tee, but I didn't have too much of an issue getting it. The next item, I fell in love with it as soon as I actually got to see it in hand, is the Prodigy Tee that dropped from week 1. I did get it in the canary yellow. This shirt honestly is just, so far, probably my favorite t-shirt of the season. Very clean design. I've actually worn this shirt already, and I came across this lady who just loved the actual artwork of the shirt. She said she felt the emotion within their shirt, and she didn't even know who the person was. They honestly chose the perfect image to draw of Prodigy. This looks like it was actually taken out of the Shook One's video almost, because of him rocking the Hennessy jersey and all that. I really love this shirt. Very clean, goes really well with the Sean Witherspoons. One thing I didn't even notice from the original design of this shirt was that it has Supreme right there in the bottom right hand corner, which I thought was really cool. A little subtle branding on a very good shirt. The next item I couldn't wait to get my hands on, and honestly I'm so glad I grabbed these because I knew they were gonna be sick, are the Undercover Supreme Public Enemy sweatpants. These things are cozy as fuck. I have tried these on. I got an extra large in these. The pattern on these is insane. The colorway is crazy, but at the same time, it has really good base colors. So you can pretty much wear these with a lot of things. They actually do fit in length. I am 6'6", and I got an extra large. The waist does have a drawstring, which closes up enough for them to fit me. It does have a back pocket and side pockets, which is really cool. It only has one back pocket on the right cheek, which has the Undercover Supreme branding, and then you have the all over print. These are insane. I love these. I'm so glad I got these. You have the Public Enemy and Fear the Black Planet on the right leg. These pants are so cozy, look really good on. Just a really good like tailoring to the sweatpants. They're not crazy baggy at all or anything like that. Really good fit, really good fit. So glad I picked these up. They were a bit expensive for sweatpants. They cost me, I think, a little over $200. But in the end of the day, you can't really pass up on things that you love. The next item that I got, which I really loved when I opened the package, was so excited to see it, is the Skull hoodie. This was a week 1 item. I'm really glad I picked this up. Super fucking clean, honestly. It does glow in the dark. I have tested it. It's really cool. It's not a crazy glow. I haven't left it in the light for that long, but it is a subtle glow. Obviously, in like black light, the shit will fucking look insane. As far as branding, you only have Supreme on the left chest in the old English font. I knew I wanted something from the skull print collection, and they didn't have a t-shirt, which I would have went for, but I'm glad I picked up the hoodie instead because it just made me commit. The detail in the skulls is just so cool. It looks like all of them are just thinking their own thing, wilding on their own shit. I think this is a really cool fucking hoodie. This was a part of the first week drop, like I said before, and we all know the first week drop was a shit show, so it's hard to really tell how fast this thing sold out. But I did manage to get this and the Canary Prodigy Tee in the same cart. I was pretty happy with my first week, actually. So the last item on the show and tell is something that I didn't know if I was actually going to like it or hate it until I got it in hand and really got to look at the details and what they really did with the item. It is the Supreme Nike NBA Air Forces. I did get them in the white. I'm really happy I got these. The box they come in, always super clean. They do packaging right, obviously. They are a fucking premium price for a pair of Air Forces. The thing that's bugged me out about their more recent Air Forces that they've done is they haven't used like the premium materials on them, like with the leather, with the black and white and red ones that they didn't use premium leather on those. They pretty much used just like regular Air Force leather on that. And on these ones, they also did use the similar type of like, I guess, yeah, synthetic leather on them, which is okay, I guess. Like, I don't mind it too bad, but I do love the detail of the prints that they did, how they like kind of almost underlap, not overlap. They're not finished on a lot of them, which is really fucking cool. I wish the Celtics logo was huge, but we didn't get that one. It's cool. Of course, they're gonna do New York really big. Them being from New York and them having an LA and a New York place. Maybe that's a hint that the next one is gonna be in Detroit or in Portland. The fact that they did these ones big. Maybe that's a hint, I don't know. You're hearing it here first. But other than the quality of leather, I think these are fire. If you look on the straps, you have Supreme written in this kind of crazy font. Not written, but it's actually stitched, which I think is very clean. Came out really nice. And then even the lace locks on the front says Air Force One 2018 and then Supreme on the lace locks. You have Nike Air Force One and then Supreme on the tongue. Oh, this is cool. I didn't even notice this. If you take out the insole, you actually have teams on the insole, which is really fucking cool. And it looks like you do have different teams on the interior of this one as well. Really cool, really clean sneakers. Really glad I picked these up. They only released the white ones once on the Supreme website. They did release the black ones, which I didn't like as much. Second time on the Nike Air website. There you have it. That is the Nike Supreme Air Force One. My very last favorite item so far this season. I also want to do something special for these show and tells. And a lot of people have been asking about my past collection, so what I'll do is I'll try to bring out a little bit piece by piece during these show and tells, because obviously they're called show and tells for a reason, right? The very last piece I'll show off is my Supreme Rough Rider jersey from fall, winter, 2014, I believe. This is one of my favorite fucking jerseys from Supreme. I'm so glad they did this. It's very fucking clean. I have shown this piece off before in a video that I will link below. If you haven't seen it, I do show off a bit of my collection. But when this dropped, this actually sat online. I remember going for it super fast, having to get it at work, use the computer at work, and seeing that it actually just chilled online. It didn't sell out super fast. There wasn't a hoodie with it as well that I should have fucking grabbed. I don't know why I didn't grab it. But yeah, I love this jersey. Very clean, very sick piece, looks really good on. Supreme always kills it with the hockey jerseys, in my opinion. But yeah, this is one of the pieces out of my collection. So as we continue to do these show and tells, I'll continue to show off my back catalog. All right, guys, there you go. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. I'm in the trenches dodging L's left and right so I can get cool items like these to show you goddamn hype beasts. And if you want to see more, you gotta subscribe, bitches. As always, you know where to find the live cops. It's your boy Sin Supreme, and I shall see you next time. Peace.